Ever wondered how canning preserves food? Well, it's a fascinating process that has been used for centuries to extend the shelf life of various foods. The secret behind canning lies in the high water content of fresh foods, which unfortunately makes them highly perishable. Fresh foods tend to spoil or lose their quality due to several factors. These include the growth of undesirable microorganisms such as bacteria, molds, and yeasts, the activity of food enzymes, reactions with oxygen, and moisture loss. Now imagine a juicy, ripe apple. Microorganisms live and multiply quickly on its surface and inside any bruised or insect-damaged parts. Oxygen and enzymes are present throughout the apple's tissues. So how do we stop this apple from spoiling? We can it. Canning is an intricate process with several crucial steps. Firstly, the fresh food is carefully selected and washed. In some cases, the food may need to be peeled. This is the case for foods like peaches or tomatoes. Next, many foods are hot packed. This means they are heated thoroughly before being placed into the can. This step is crucial as it helps to kill off any microorganisms present in the food. For some foods, an acid, such as lemon juice or vinegar, is added. This helps to create an environment that is inhospitable to bacteria, yeasts, and molds. The food is then placed into acceptable jars with self-sealing lids. These jars are processed in a boiling water or pressure canner for a specific period of time. These practices collectively serve several purposes. They remove oxygen, destroy enzymes, prevent the growth of undesirable bacteria, yeasts, and molds, and help form a high vacuum in jars. A good vacuum forms a tight seal, which keeps the liquid in and the air and microorganisms out. So the next time you open a can of your favorite preserved food, remember the intricate process that went into ensuring its freshness. Canning is not just a means of preserving food. It's a science that has been perfected over centuries. It allows us to enjoy our favorite foods at any time of the year, regardless of seasonality. It also minimizes food waste, allowing us to make the most of nature's bounty. So, there you have it, the science and art of canning, a process that combines biology, chemistry, and a touch of culinary skill to keep our foods fresh, tasty, and safe to eat.